Yeah, after we have done the installation and we updated the software recipe, so now we're gonna know how to put the picture, any picture actually we choose, but as long it's for Krispy Kreme, we're gonna keep the picture for Krispy Kreme as a screensaver. Like after 5 minutes going to be screensaver. So like you see, if I touch anywhere here, okay, so it's going to be back for Krispy Kreme. So we gonna go and press, there is 3 lines here on the top. Okay, then you go for setting, which is you can see the key here. Okay, then it's going to ask me for the password TECH, then okay. Okay, now we get here the, you know, all the settings, but we're going to go for display. So we're going to press display. Okay, if you go down here, don't change anything. Screensaver, it shows it's on. Okay, see, it's on screensaver, but it's black. So we're gonna import the screen picture here that we are going to. Okay, so now it says here show imported pictures. Let's see, but there is no any imported pictures, so we're gonna close it. But the thing says this, we are going to import from the USB, the same USB that we use to update the recipe. We are going to open again and put the USB. Okay, so let's keep the USB now and import. Okay, here you go. Now if I insert the USB, you're gonna see this lightening. Okay, so when you see this lightening, import pictures, we're gonna press on import pictures. Okay, so we already imported. Okay, then if we want to be sure the pictures already import, so we're gonna press again and import pictures. So the pictures file is here, and that's it. Okay, so we are going to remove out the USB. We don't need it anymore, and we're gonna close this. Okay, and be sure to close also the cover of the USB before you close the cover actually. Okay, and we are going to log out actually from here. It says here to the display has to be restart, so I'm going to press continue. It has to be a restart. Okay, so it's going to be restart now, and I'm going to close the screen now. We are done. While it is restarting, I'm going to lock again the display so no one can open it. So we're gonna go down here. Okay, and we're gonna lock. Now it's locked. See, it's no more, it's locked already, so we don't need this anymore. So if we wait for 2 or 3 minutes, now see it is active again. Okay, we are going to wait maybe 5 minutes or 4 minutes, then it is going to show us the screensaver with Krispy Kreme logo or name. I don't know if you're going to wait for that, so let's close the top cover as well while we are waiting. So it's going to be closed together with the tray, as we say. See? I'm trying to not touch the screen, so it's not going to lose the screen saver again. So let's wait and see. The screen saver, it's going to be with the Krispy Kreme name. It's a fantastic machine. It's a handy one, and you can even